What do you stand for and what would you do? This card game, What Do You Stand For, is all about focusing on 10 characteristic traits that come through in certain moments of opportunity and in different scenarios. It is a basic draw game where you shuffle the cards, pull off the stack one, and try to answer the questions. These 10 traits that you're really exploring include respect, safety, forgiveness, honesty, citizenship, fairness, cooperation, responsibility, relationships, and caring. The goal of the game is to collect one of each of those traits. For adults, you'll likely need to help read the instructions, although they are straightforward, as well as really put a baseline down on what these characteristic traits are. And there's a great set of definitions in this foldout as well. This game is meant for kids ages 7 to 11 to be played on teams, and whether that team is an individual or a group, you need about 2 to 4 teams to really get the most out of this game. Students are answering questions like, what does responsibility mean? Or what would you do in this scenario to demonstrate responsibility? And really explore these traits so that they can build more characteristic traits themselves and learn what they would stand for. For more products like this, visit nascoeducation.com.